Hello students, welcome to our channel Success Educator. Today we will see 12th SSC Biology part 2 reproduction in lower and higher plants. In this video we will discuss about vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation, which is a type of asexual reproduction. In previous video we learned about asexual reproduction, which occur without involving two gametes, and the progeny will be genetically identical to their parents. Now, what is meant by vegetative reproduction? Plants reproduce asexually through their vegetative parts like roots, stem, leaves or buds. Is called as vegetative reproduction, means the reproduction which occur with the help of vegetative parts like root, stem, leaves. New plants are genetically identical to their parents. Vegetative propagation is divided into two major parts, natural method and artificial method. In this video, we will discuss about the natural method, which is given on page number 1 briefly into the bracket in your book. But according to 12th syllabus, you must have to know each and every point clearly. So I explain this method first. Later on in the next video, we will discuss about the artificial method. Now, what is the natural method of vegetative reproduction? Are as follows. Tuberous roots. In some plants, the underground roots store plenty of reserve food and become swollen. Like leaf roots also store food and they become swollen. Such swollen roots are called tuberous roots. On the surface of these roots, the buds are produced. They will sprout and form a leafy shoot. These leafy shoots and these sprouting buds get separated and planted for a commercial cultivation. Means to increase the number of generation of this plant. The tuberous roots are advantageous, may be produced in singly or in a cluster, are called simple tuberous and fasciculated tuberous roots respectively. Simple means the tuberous roots which are in single form, and fasciculated means which are the tuberous roots which are in a cluster form. For example, we take sweet potato. Tuberous roots are singly at the node of creeping stem. Creeping means the stems are spreading along the ground. They are irregularly swollen. These roots are irregularly swollen, means somewhere it is thin and somewhere it is thick. Tapering towards both the end, dark and blackish red color structure. In asparagus and in dahlia, they are produced in a cluster. But in sweet potato, it is in a single, and in asparagus and dahlia, it is in a cluster form. Now see the diagram of sweet potato. It is in a tuberous root but in a single form. Adventitious buds are there. This is the tuberous roots which are in a fasciculated or in a cluster form. Now, what is stem tubers? Stem tuber means the swollen tips, which is storage of starchy reserve food of underground branches of the stem, are called stem tubers. The stem tuber has many notches on its surface, that is called eyes. These eyes consist of one or more axillary buds and reduced scale leaves. The tuber is cut into the pieces, at least one eye, and are grown separately for commercial cultivation, again to increase the number of generation of this plant. Common example if we take stem tuber is potato, rhizome in turmeric, and the bulb structure of onion. See the diagram of potato. These are the germinating eye bud. Scar scale leaf means the marking of the leaf when the leaf will fall. Scar of stem, then the eye, and each piece of the potato we require the eye to generate its next generation. This about the rhizome, the foliage leaves intact, and the bulb formation in the onion. Now, what is runner? Runner is a slender. Slender means thin. Prostrates means spreading on the ground, and subaerial branch which creeps horizontally on the soil. It is produced by the plant like cynodon, dubgrass and oxalis. In the Marathi, this dubgrass means the durva and oxalis means the lawn grass. Suppose this is a parent plant and the runner is produced from the parent plant to increase the number of generation. So this is the plant. Again, this plant will produce a runner with the help of the internode, node and internode, and the runner will spread on the ground in all direction to increase the number of this plant. Now, what about the leaf? Vegetative part leaf is also using for the vegetative propagation. So suppose we take the example of plant like bryophyllum and the begonia. Vegetative propagation in this plant will take place with the help of their leaves. See, such type of leaves will be there in bryophyllum and begonia. Now, in bryophyllum, new plants are formed from the leaves only when leaf is separated from the main leaves and will fall on the wet soil. And in begonia, suppose we take this leaf bud form on the surface of the main leaf, they will detach from the main leaf and fall, and they will produce the next generation of the plant. So in this video, we discuss about the vegetative parts or for the vegetative reproduction to increase the generation of the plant. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.